Welcome to Study Loop.
Define the lower and upper bounds for a 95% confidence interval for the population average mu of the percentage of hospitals providing at least some charity care. We can use the formula the confidence interval is equal to the sample mean plus or minus the critical z times the standard deviation over the square of the sample size. And we know that the sample mean is, we're going to actually need to calculate that, so we'll calculate that in a moment. Same with the standard deviation. But we know that the critical z at 95% is 1.96. Okay, so we can add the 10 values up together, or you can throw it into a statistical software or a calculator. But we've got values of 57.1, 56.2, 53, 66.1, 59, 64.7, 70.1, 64.7, 53.5, and 78.2. The mean of those 10 is 62.26, and the standard deviation comes out to 8.02. And the sample size is 10. So our confidence interval would be 62.26 plus or minus 1.96 times 8.02 over the square root of 10. And we want to round to the nearest hundredth. The lower bound would be found by subtracting 62.26 minus 1.96 times 8.02 over the square root of 10, which would be 57.29, and our upper boundary found by adding, which is 67.23. The interpretation of the confidence level would be a 95% confidence level means that if we were to take multiple random samples and calculate the confidence intervals from each sample, about 95% of those intervals would contain the true population average mu of the percentage of hospitals providing at least some charity care. In other words, we're 95% confidence that the true population average percentage of hospitals providing at least some charity care lies within the calculated confidence interval. The confidence level helps us quantify the uncertainty associated with our estimate.